welcome to Jammer's Cookbook. Pradimna, today we are going to do this avarakka curry. Avarakka in English is broad long beans, and you know what this is, Pradi? If you open this, if it's a very mature one, you get this bean from inside, and this is called mochaka. So the tender ones is the avarakka, and we are going to do curry out of this.
3 more.
Yeah, you can keep it here, but not for this dish. Okay, Pradi, now ingredients goes like this. You have the broad long beans cut, 1 cup, onion, then you have tur dal, coconut chili, jeera, turmeric powder, mustard seed, salt, water, and oil. So now, Pradi, I'm putting some oil. You can keep the stove on. Yeah, I'm just putting the mustard seeds. You can put urad dal as well. I'm just putting the mustard seeds. And once the mustard pops, I'm putting the onions. And I'm just putting a little bit of turmeric powder. And saute the onions for some time.
Yellow onions.
Yeah, because of the turmeric. And I'm putting the chopped avarakka, that is broad long beans. I'm putting the salt a little bit.
Add the salt in the bottom.
Yeah, and then I'm adding little water so that it cooks well.
Sounds so weird.
Yes. In this type of curry, you can make out of cluster beans, the regular beans as well. Let this
Just going to
cook,
spread
Pradi.
it out evenly.
Yeah. You put this on, let this cook, keep it here. And by the time it cooks, we are going to grind the coconut, the chili, and 1 TSP of the jeera.
This is for grinding.
That is for grinding without water. The green chili, jeera, and coconut is ground and ready. The tur dal is cooked and kept ready. So let me see whether this, yeah, you can keep it on this plate, Pradi. Yeah, some more water has to drain naturally.
It's hot.
Yeah, let it be. See now, this type of poriyal you can do with broad beans, that is avarakka. You can do with the regular beans. You can
hot.
do with cluster beans.
Hot, hot, hot.
You can do with cluster beans. And the main ingredients, as I told you, the cooked tur dal. The adding cooked tur dal to the poriyal is a traditional method. You can try. I'm just going to add it now.
I got it.
So now I'm just adding the dal.
I'll just take this.
It's hot, ready? Wait.
It's okay.
It's hot. Don't touch it now.
But the condensed water will spill. I can manage this much.
See, normally when you do sambar and if you plan to do this poriyal, add little more dal in your sambar while you cook in the cooker. Take little bit and keep it for the poriyal. This not only adds taste to the poriyal, it's also your protein nourishment. Yeah, now.
Look guys, I found a nature insect.
Yeah, because we are cooking in the open, you will find insects, you will find butterflies, everything.
A few monarch butterflies flew past us.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep
Yeah, now
mixing
you keep mixing. Be very careful.
because it's hot.
Yeah. Slowly, slowly. And again, the onions, what I've added is also an option. If you want to add onions, you can add. Otherwise, without the onions itself, it makes a very nice poriyal. We call it curry.
Look, guys, a coconutty spoon. I'm guessing the coconut powder alone itself will taste good because it's like ground coconut with seasoned.
Yeah, with chili and jeera. Now it's done, Praddy. So I'll give you to taste. It's very hot, Praddy.
Whoa.
Yeah, you taste and tell me how it is.
I may just blow it. Oh,
I think it will be okay now. Wow.
it has so much flavor.
How is the curry?
Really good. The most contains is avaraka flavor.
Yeah, because it's avaraka poriyal, it has avaraka flavor.
And then
And-
the jeera flavor, then the onion flavor.
Yeah. See, when you cut these vegetables, all especially these broad beans and long beans, you have to remove the thread at the edges. So you have
Yeah.
to open both edges, remove the thread, and then chop them nicely.
Because
so
the
that
thread has fiber.
yeah, it doesn't
Too
come
much
in your
fiber.
mouth as you eat. Okay, now thanks for watching. Try this poriyal. You try in cluster beans. You try the same with beans, and then write back to us.
Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Bye.